the part 3 doing the get unready with me makeup. I mean makeup. Sunscreen. Ay, sorry guys. Yung hindi ko video. Yung paglagay ko ng lip gloss, sabihin na natin. Lip tint. So guys, yung gagawin natin this channel, ako ng pan sleep, because I'm going to get my clothes. Guys, I think wala akong napiling clothes for our pajamas kasi panlakad lahat ng clothes ko, and then yung ibang pajamas I'm just gonna wear hoodie. So guys, if hindi niyo nakita yung lagay ko ng Vitabalm at saka lip gloss, go to part 1 and part 2. Bye, that's all.